It is Monday, July 8th, and this is the first day that all of Critter Country is closed to facilitate the construction of Tiana's Bayou Adventure. And we're gonna find out how far they've pushed the walls forward now. This Harbor Galley restaurant right over here is still open, but where did they place the walls? Haunted Mansion is probably reopening on August 23rd. But the new outdoor queue for the ride won't be finished, so they're going to temporarily have it on virtual queue. And there's Tiana's Bayou Adventure, former Splash Mountain. And here's where they put the walls, right here. So, yeah. So being able to walk all the way around Disneyland now, ever since Star Wars Land opened, you can't do it temporarily for the next probably couple of months. And then Secret Path is back here. I think this has been closed to facilitate the construction of late. Let's see how far you can go this way. You can go to right here. You can go to right there. That's it. So yeah, the walls, it is a walled off Critter Country for the next couple of months. But it's not so bad. As far as a guess as to when Tiana's Bayou Adventure is going to open, I think I'm on record predicting the Friday after Labor Day, but don't know if that's going to happen now. It's probably be a little later than that. Could even be October or November. But my best guess is still sometime in September. We'll see you soon.